Hey, Jonathan here at the Colfax High Mill and Wood Shop. Kayaking, me and some friends are kayaking down the North Fork this winter at about 10,000 cubic feet per second. So this video is just showing you the wonders near where we live. So I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Fork American River. March 3rd or so, biggest February we've ever had. I think 300 inches came down up at Squaw. Probably 400 inches of snow to date. It's a warm, rainy day. That snow's coming down. There's a North Fork, probably at about 4,000 cubic feet per second. Coming downstream, there's a confluence, and that's probably about 6,000. So going downstream, 49 bridge is probably 10,000 cubic feet per second. Probably coming up because it's warm, so the snow's melting coming down. Should be an exciting day. Tom did a little homework this morning to see how far and how steep we're paddling. What's the lake height, the elevation of the top of Folsom right now?
Let's see. Barometric readings aside, it's about 427 feet.
So that's the top of Folsom?
No, that's the top of the lake level right now. The top of Folsom, the max height is 466.
And then what's our put-in elevation?
Let me see. Put in is about 614.
614.
Yeah, we're going about 10 miles.
10 miles over 200 feet.
Yeah, about 20 feet per mile.
Oh. Beautiful day. Piles, big water. Got a roll. Nice roll, Tom.
Yeah.
It's a pretty place. This is a cool surf hole on the North Fork. I think people refer to this hole as Tamarack. What's happening is a big rock, a lot of current flowing over it, and then all the water is racing to get back in that hole so you could surf it in the kayak like an ocean wave. The only problem is it's scary in case you get stuck in there. So it's a big wave. It's a little tricky to get in there. Super pretty wave. I don't actually have any footage of Eric surfing in there. And I don't have a GoPro, so I put my phone away. But it is a great surf wave, really nice. You kind of sit on there for as long as you want. It's one of the coolest things is surfing Auburn. Most people don't think of it, but when the flows are up high, it's easy to get in there and have some big surfs. Okay, coming down the North Fork here to the dam site. This is the Auburn Dam Site. This project's been going on for decades. I don't know when it even started, in the 60s or 70s. They built a coffer dam to redirect the water. And then that coffer dam actually washed away, and then they did a lot more studies. It turned out there's a seismic fault, and now the whole thing's canned. As you look down there, that's the buttress where the dam site was going to be. And then now that's right there, the pump station. That's the Placer County Water Association pump station. Then down here on the river is actually where they draw the water out for all of Auburn. So the river share is actually split in half. The right side, there's a grate under the river. The water drops through that grate into a big vault, and then they pump the water from that vault all the way up that mountain, and that's where our water comes from. And then on the left side here is kind of the redirect to the river. They spent a tremendous amount of time kind of rebuilding this whole waterway after the Auburn Dam Site was finally finalized that they weren't going to create the Auburn Dam Site. So this is a river bypassing the pump station, and because the river's up at about 10,000 cubic feet per second, there's a lot of big water here right now. So you kind of see these big waves and holes. Actually, that hole right there is probably sucking birds out of the sky. And then we'll paddle down here trying to miss all of these big holes. So again, what's happening here is there's so much volume of water passing over a rock. The water is flowing back upstream to fill in that void. Cool surf waves, but kind of scary if you get stuck in there. So you just kind of see the overall size of the flow here and how fast the water is traveling. Beautiful though, beautiful place. And then through the old dam site right there on the old bridge buttress. There's Tom coming down, staying out of the way of those big holes. Eric's kind of shooting down. So if you like this video, hit subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments down below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.